Hey guys, do you like drama in your life? I try to avoid drama in my life, and I especially don't want drama around my money. Today the Dow 30 is down over 63 points, and the S&P is down 4.24% from over a year ago. I'm telling you this because I want to talk to you about investment stability versus risk. The daily soap opera of the stock market is enough drama for most people, but like I said before, you don't need drama in your life, especially when it comes to investing. So the two mistakes that people make after they work hard, they crank for 40 hours a week for 10, 20, 30 years, is that some either never invest for their future or some invest in entirely the wrong vehicle. For people that never invest, the primary method that we've been told to do is the stock market. And for some, it's too complicated and it's super time consuming as well. So many stocks to choose from. How do you know what to buy? It takes a great deal of effort to figure all that stuff out. And for those that do invest in a vehicle, they invest in something they maybe not totally understand, or it comes with a higher level of risk, or maybe it even doesn't produce that steady income that they're hoping for. The nature of stocks is that there is appreciation and a return depending if that stock pays dividends or not too, right? The great thing about multifamily real estate is that the asset pays for itself every month. It produces income. When the stock market drops 300 points and Wall Street is having a meltdown, our rents just keep flowing in. That's the great thing about it. We don't have up and down days. Our portfolio of real estate pays us regardless of whatever's happening in the stock market. So the same thing applies for crypto, right? If Bitcoin goes up and down, the monthly checks in our monthly multifamily deals, they just keep rolling in. And by the way, it's worth noting that Bitcoin is off over 12,000 points since its high, So the thing is that we are paid to wait while the property goes up in value. And at the same time, the note is getting paid down, and we also make cash flow from the deal as well. That is the kind of certainty you need from your investments. You don't want to have to guess what the market is going to do tomorrow. But when we invest in a deal, we are looking at our risk levels. We're looking at how stable the asset is too. We only invest in things that produce income despite the stock market changes, despite any crypto fluctuations or who's the president of the United States. Doesn't matter. We're looking for certainty and stability all the time, every day. The same way I look for stability in my friends and my family, wouldn't you want the same thing for your money as well? And we continue to scale and add more units. That's part of our model, right? And these assets, where hundreds of people live and they pay rent month over month that we collect, and of course at the same time we pay the note. And over the next, 5 to 10 years, depending on how long the hold time is, our investors and we get paid while we wait for the property to go up in value. And because the more scale we get, the more stability we have as well, right? We look for deals that give us good cash flow every month. And even if the market gets soft, that rent still keeps coming in because we have those commitments from those tenants, right? When we look at deals, we're looking at three things. The number of units, the various ways the property makes income, and we're looking for low to mid-tier rental prices for that area. And fortunately, our team does all the heavy lifting for our investors. We decide based on our criteria if we really want to chase that deal down or take it down or fix it up and do what we need to do with it to produce those types of returns for ourselves and for our investors, of course. Anyway, what are you guys investing in? Are you mixing it up between stocks and real estate? I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, and love to get your feedback. If you like this, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Also check out the Bulletproof Cashflow podcast on iTunes and Stitcher, and subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. We're working so hard on getting new content to you guys out every single day, and we want to help you build success in the world of multifamily. Anyway, be great, guys, and talk to you soon.